Jesus Christ. Wherever you are, please just take time to read the book of Joel chapter 2, verses 25 going down. Joel chapter 2, verses 25 going down. In Joel chapter 2, it talks about restoration. That's what it talks about. Number 2, it talks about the outpouring of the Holy Spirit. But I want to dwell more on the issue of restoration. I am praying for you that whatever has been destroyed in your life, damaged in your life, stolen from your life, the God of restoration will bring restoration in your finances, restoration in your marriage, restoration in your health, restoration in your business, in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. I pray for you. In your career, there will be restoration. In your education, there's going to be restoration. In your health, there is going to be restoration. Be restored in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Amen.